Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neeta and I welcome you all to our meditation lesson 1 session. So let's begin with the history of meditation. The history of meditation go back many thousands of years into antiquity itself. As part of the system of yoga, the principles were divinely received by the rishis as a means of self-salvation, allowing man a path back to union again with his divine creator God. According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, meditation is the seventh step towards spiritualism, and the eighth step being the Samadhi, union with the Creator. So, what is meditation? Meditation is a practice of concentrated focus upon a sound, object, visualization, the breath, movement, or attention itself in order to increase awareness of the present moment, reduce stress, promote relaxation, and enhance personal and spiritual growth. So if you are wondering why do we meditate? So spirituality gives us love, peace and joy. So these are the basic three reasons we should choose to meditate. So what are the benefits of meditation? Meditation benefits people with or without acute medical illness or stress. People who meditate regularly have been shown to feel less anxiety and depression. They also report that they experience more enjoyment and appreciation of life and that their relationship with others are improved. Meditation produces a state of deep relaxation and a sense of balance and equanimity. According to Her Holiness Mahashri, meditation cultivates an emotional stability that allows the meditator to experience intense emotions fully while simultaneously maintaining perspective on them. Out of this experience of emotional stability, one may gain greater insight and understanding about one's thoughts, feelings, and actions. This insight in turn offers the possibility to feel more confident and in control of life. Meditation facilitates a greater sense of calmness, empathy, and acceptance of self and others. So, these are few benefits through which actually we should choose to meditate. Benefits of meditation again continue. So, it increases suitable awareness, reduces stress, make you more positive in attitude, teaches to be more objective. One is more energetic, mental faculties are sharper, problem don't seem problem anymore, attitude changes. Detailed benefits will be discussed later after explaining the process of meditation. The relevance of the benefits will then be easy to grasp. So let's see the relevance of meditation, benefits and relevance. So we'll see some techniques of in your mind's browser, clear your cache. Now delete your history and now navigate to blank web page. So in this terminology, this is of course our uh, a technical terminology wherein how we just clear the cache first. Now for example, if you are using your mobile phones, if so many applications are going on, you may find that there will be some situation wherein you feel that the speed is getting lower or you are getting stuck somewhere or you are facing some kind of problem. So firstly for that what you do is you clear some cache memory. Just those applications are running, you just close down few applications so that rather than so many applications open, you keep one application open so that less confusion will be there and performance will increase. Then what you have to do is again there will be very much space which is utilized by files which are no more needed, so you delete some kind of historical files which you don't require, and that's how you will make more space in your phone so that your phone may perform better. And then once you get the a good amount of space, you may find that performance of your phone or your computer may increase. In the same way, we are having so many things in our mind and so many things are going on currently. So for that, what we have to do is we have to come in the present moment. For that, we need to just focus on one thing at a time, and we have to delete whatever things we don't need and we are repetitively thinking on that. So that is what we have to do whenever we have to start the process of meditation, being aware of what's going on in mind and being focused on one thing at a time. Now we'll see the techniques. So aim your awareness on your chosen focus point, then hold your focus onto that point, then lose focus. Okay, now become aware that you have lost the focus, and again you aim your awareness on your chosen point, and that is how you can do the meditation. If you want to do some kind of meditation with focus on one point, that point may be anything, any object, or just a candlelight, or anything, whatever you want to concentrate on. So whenever you feel that your concentration is moving here and there and some thoughts are coming, again you have to put whole your attention onto that object and again start concentrating on the object. That is how you may work with this technique. Now praying is the another technique of meditation. Begin your meditation with a prayer. This will help you remember why you are meditating. You'll also be inviting the divine or your higher self to help you in your practice. So, whenever you pray, you actually call some energy, some higher power. That may be, if you don't believe in God, you just remember that some power is there in this universe which may guide you, which may help you out whenever you are in problem. So you may ask their help, that within this process I should get that guidance, I should get that feeling, yeah, someone is helping me out. So in that way you can just pray before practicing, so that you'll get that inner motivation and you will do that process very easily and very naturally. Sit perfectly still. Moving your body even slightly sends the energy into the muscles. The purpose of yoga is to withdraw that energy inward and upward to the brain. Thus, any physical movement during meditation will counteract your meditative efforts. To keep yourself from fishing, try to think of your body as a rock, solid and unmoving. Refuse to move for the first 5 minutes of meditation, and you'll find that your body will grow calm for its own accord. Your physical and mental restlessness will subside the longer you sit still. A glass of muddy water will become dear in time if it's undisturbed. The same is true for us. So, sitting still is very important when it comes to concentrating, because what happens is whenever we are doing any kind of movement, concentration, our brain also get involved within that movement and so many muscles actually get affected by one single movement. So that's why if you want to actually meditate and you really want to get results out of it, that stillness you need to achieve, and you need to feel that you are that much still, just like a solid or rock. And that's how actually you have to start meditating. At least initial 5-10 minutes you have to practice it whenever you are a beginner, and then later on you'll feel what the actually benefits of doing that kind of stillness while meditating. Do not control your breath. After the preliminary breathing exercises, you should cease any effort to control the breath. Let it flow naturally. You may notice that the pauses between the inhalation and exhalation are gradually become longer. Enjoy these pauses, for they are a glimpse of the deep state of advanced meditation. As you grow very calm, your breath may become so shallow and the pauses so prolonged that it hardly seems necessary to breathe at all. Do not be alarmed. This is good. How long to meditate is entirely up to you. Make sure, however, to allow enough time after the Om practice to sit still and enjoy the calm meditative state. So, where to meditate? If possible, set aside an area that is used exclusively for meditation. In time, it will become saturated with spiritual vibration. A small room, a corner of your bedroom, or even closest can suffice as long as it is well ventilated. Keep it simple. All you really need is a chair or small cushion or sit on, and perhaps a small altar. Face east if possible and place a wool or silk blanket on the floor to insulate your body from the subtle magnetic current of the earth. So, whenever you are meditating, keep one specific place on the daily basis wherever you are practicing your meditation. What happens is, while meditating, you send that positive vibration, and that positive vibration creates the aura of that particular place, and that's how that place vibration become more stronger. And if you meditate on the same place on daily basis, your meditation will give you better result. You will get into that state of meditation very easily and naturally if you do that. So, and put something like yoga mat or any kind of mat, whatever you are using while you are practicing, so that whatever gravity force of earth or any magnetic energy which is affecting you, it will not affect your body, because there is some kind of gap in between that magnetic force and you. So whenever you are meditating, keep these two three things in mind, so that you get into the state, whichever state of consciousness you are actually trying to achieve easily. So where to meditate? The same place on every day, preferably same time also. If you do, that is better. Proper meditation posture. In addition to sitting on a straight back chair, there are other ways of sitting that are appropriate for meditation. You can sit on the floor in any of the several poses: cross legs, half lotus pose, or full lotus pose. Two things, however, are essential. Your spine must be straight and you must be able to relax completely without slouching. So actually in the Western approach, meditation is very easy because they use chairs, they use cushions. But in the Indian tradition, actually we do it somewhat strictly, that we don't use any chair or cushion. We actually sit without any kind of back matlab anything like, just like cushion gives some support to back, so any we don't sit with support. Without support we sit. Now the thing is, your posture needs to be straight. That is what is very important, because if the postures are not straight, in that case you'll not get results, whichever results you are expecting from the meditation. So your posture is very very important. Cross-leg sitting is comfortably, you can sit cross-leg. Otherwise, those who can sit in the full lotus or half lotus, they may try sitting in that posture. If you're doing it for the longer time and if you find it difficult, in that case, just cross-leg sitting is fine with the spine straight. That is what you need to take care. So let's again see some benefits of meditation. So what are the physiological benefits, psychological benefits, and spiritual benefits of meditation? Physiological benefits: it lowers oxygen consumption, it decreases respiratory rate, it increases blood flow and slow the heart rate, it increases exercise tolerance, leads to a deeper level of physical relaxation, reduces anxiety attacks by lowering the level of blood lactate, decreases muscle tension, helps in chronic diseases like allergies, arthritis, reduce premenstrual syndrome symptoms, help in post-operative healing, enhances the immune system, reduces activity of viruses and emotional distress, enhances energy, strength, and vigor, help with weight loss, reduction of free radicals, less tissue damage, higher skin resistance. So these are the physiological benefits of meditation. So again, few physiological benefits of meditation: drop in cholesterol level, lower risk of cardiovascular disease, improved flow of air to the lungs resulting in easier breathing, decreases the aging process, higher level of DHAs, that is dehydrate hydroepiandrosterone, prevented, slowed or controlled pain of chronic disease, make you sweat less, cure headaches and migraines, greater orderliness of brain functioning, normalizes to your ideal weight, harmonizes our endocrine system, relaxes our nervous system, producing lasting beneficial changes in brain electrical activity, cure infertility. The stresses of infertility can interfere with the release of hormones that regulate ovulation. Now let's move on to the psychological benefits of meditation. So in psychological benefits, it builds self-confidence, it increases serotonin level, influences mood and behaviors, resolve phobias and fears, help control own thoughts, helps with focus and concentration, increase creativity, increased brain wave coherence, improved learning ability and memory, increased feelings of vitality and rejuvenation, increased emotional stability, improved relations at home and at work, able to see the larger picture in a given situation, helps ignore petty issues, increased ability to solve complex problems, purifies your character, develop willpower, greater communication between the two brain hemispheres, react more quickly and more effectively to a stressful events, increases one's perceptual ability and motor performance, higher intelligence growth rate, increased job satisfaction also, increases in the capacity of intimate contact with loved ones, decrease in potential mental illness, better more sociable behavior, less aggressiveness, help in quitting smoking, alcohol addiction, reduces need and dependency on drugs, pills and pharmaceuticals, need less sleep to recover from sleep deprivation, require less time to fall asleep, help cure insomnia. Now let's see spiritual benefits of meditation. It helps keep things in perspective, provide peace of mind and happiness, help you discover your purpose, increase self-actualization, increase compassion, growing wisdom, deeper understanding of yourselves and others. It brings body, mind, spirit in harmony, deeper level of spiritualism, relaxation, increased acceptance of oneself, help learn forgiveness, changes attitude toward life, create a deeper relationship with your God, attain enlightenment, greater inner directedness, help living in the present moment, creates a widening, deepening capacity of love and discovering of the power and consciousness beyond the ego. So these are the spiritual benefits of meditation. So this much for this session. Thank you very much.